Hey guys, a few weeks ago I was helping a friend of mine move out of his house, his workshop out of his house and into a warehouse space. Gorgeous space, huge, expansive. Needless to say, the movers put everything in the space, but everything had to be put back together. The stands, the racks. And it really got me kind of bummed out because I really wish I had brought my Craftsman magnetic parts holder, because we were taking bolts and nuts and washers, and I was really worried we were going to lose stuff. So he actually had these plastic containers, these deli containers, and I got this kind of field modification idea, kind of a cool idea. I took some epoxy that I had in my tool bag, and I just glued some magnets that I have kicking around. I use magnets on the job site sometimes to find screws in drywall, to find, studs. So I glued these 5 magnets to the bottom of this container, and I used epoxy. You could use hot glue or something else if you wanted, but basically, and he had lids. So basically, we took this thing and we made a parts list, and then when we were moving between machines, whatever, it could put the lid on in case it got kicked around. It was a great idea, kind of a field modification or tip, trick, call it whatever you want, but it worked for us, and it's really lightweight. I think I'm just going to keep this in my tool bag. It doesn't take up a lot of space. I can store stuff in it, and it can be useful. Hope this helps, guys. Have a great week, and please stay healthy.